turn on Dozer Creep, we're going to go into our EMU, hit the check mark for grade control, arrow to Dozer Creep, hit the check, and a check again will enable Dozer Creep. So again, this gets us full speed reverse and also full power into turns. To activate creep mode, we can long press the left trigger to engage creep mode, or we can activate our right side toggle switch. When creep mode is activated, the snail icon will appear in the EMU, as well as the creep speed setting percentage. This speed can be adjusted on the fly utilizing the right hand side toggle switch. We recommend less than or equal to 60% creep when utilizing 2D slope control systems, and less than or equal to 40% creep when utilizing 3D Smart Grade, but this will vary depending upon ground conditions and material type. Here we have two operators, each running at 40% creep. The operator closest to the screen has Dozer Creep enabled, while the other operator is just in standard creep. Dozer Creep allows the operator nearest to the camera to have full speed in reverse while still in creep mode, to be able to get back before the other operator in preparation for their next pass.